Good morning, everybody. Another beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Today I'm assisted by my grandson Luke. Say hello, Luke.
Hello.
We're going to teach young Luke here how to put a lanyard on a knife and how to properly use it. I got my knife featured on buck under a buck. Got some tape on it so it's nice and safe no one gets cut. We have a piece of paracord for a lanyard and a zip tie to make a lanyard bead. Luke has already threaded the paracord through there. Luke, go ahead and tie a knot in the end of that so we can have a nice loop for our hand. And pull that nice and tight. Okay. And now this is kind of big, right? And you don't want it, it'll just fall right off. So we're going to use this zip tie to make a lanyard bead so we can tighten that thing down. Now we want it tight, but not so tight you can't move it. A little bit more. There you go. Now I'm going to trim off the excess so we just end up with a bead. A little Kershaw right here. Alright, look. You can slide your wrist in there, and with your other hand you should be able to tighten it down. I know, you want the bead on top. Alright, with your other hand, just tighten it down. Alright. Now, you noticed I had him put his hand through there so the sharp edge of this blade is facing away from his body. So if he was using the knife and it comes out, it won't come back and crash sharp edge into his hand. That's a little too tight. So we'll loosen it up a little bit. Now, go ahead and grab the knife so you can use it. He has to rotate the knife. And when he rotates the knife, the lanyard crosses over. Forms this little X on there. His skinny little arms. It forms that X. And he can use the knife. This is tightened down so it's not going to fly off. You know, but if he loses his grip, if he's chopping a piece of tree branch or he's slicing and whittling, he loses his grip. I'll cut that out. When he loses the grip, the knife falls down, sharp edge is away from his body. If he was cutting a tree limb, sharp edge facing it could come back and hit his arm and be cut by that. So now I'm going to try to get a little bit of a slow motion recording. I did one the other day, and you can actually see the knife rotate as soon as it leaves his grip. All right, so we're going to try a little slow-mo here. Well, hopefully we get that slow-mo footage in there showing the knife coming out of his hand and turning over in the proper direction. Okay, so we're going to wrap up the video. As always, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, share button, subscribe, turn on notifications so you can see future films. And thank you today to Mr. Luke. Y'all tune in next time. Until then, have a beautiful day.